In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google to navigate various tasks and gather useful information seamlessly. Whether you're looking to shop online or simply curious about specific terms, learning how to utilize Google effectively can save you time and make your online experience much more enjoyable. So let's dive right in. Firstly, let's talk about finding specific websites using Google. If you're trying to get to Temu, simply open your preferred web browser and in the search bar, type Temu. Hit enter. Google will provide you with a list of search results, among which Temu's official website should appear at or near the top. Click on that link and voila, you're on the site. Now let's cover what you might encounter when shopping online. Pre-orders. You may wonder, what does pre-order mean? Well, when an item is available for pre-order, it's essentially not ready for you to pick up or be shipped immediately because it's out of stock or hasn't been released yet. Pre-ordering means you're reserving this item before it's available again or before it even launches. This is particularly useful if it's a popular product that might sell out quickly. It's a bit like securing your place in line, ensuring that once the item becomes available, you will receive it without having to rush behind others. Let's wrap up this guide. When you've accomplished your task, it's always satisfying to pause and recognize, done. Though simple, acknowledging completion can create a sense of accomplishment and helps keep track of tasks that may otherwise overlap or get overwhelming. Navigating Google and using it to access information can make a world of difference in your daily activities. Whether you're shopping, researching, or simply browsing, understanding these basic steps will aid in making your digital journey smooth and productive. Remember, Google is not just a search engine, it's a powerful tool that can answer questions, predict trends, and even suggest content that might interest you. The more you use it, the more you'll discover its potential in expanding your efficiency online. Hopefully, this brief guide gave you some clarity and maybe even some new insights. Remember to use these simple tips, explore confidently, and who knows, you might just discover something fascinating along the way. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy Googling.